In today's video we're going to learn how to do treble 4 together. So essentially we're putting 4 trebles together. If you're starting on the edge of a row or beginning of a round, you will chain only 3. Usually you chain 4 when it comes to trebles, and it will make sense in just a moment. So the next 3 in a row, they're each going to be a treble, but watch how we do it. So we wrap the hook twice, because that's a treble. Going into the next stitch, pull through, and then we pull through 2 and 2 until we get to the top of that post right here. So we don't want to finish it. So wrap again twice, and going into the next stitch, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it, and then you can see you're at the top of that post too. So wrap twice, and then this is the final one of the 4. Pull through 2 and 2. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. This only exists as 4 at the very beginning of a round or row, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So yarning over, just pulling it through. So to put the next 4 together, all you're just going to do is just yarning over twice and go to the next stitch. Going in, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it. So you got the top of that post. Wrap it around again twice, going to the next one, pull through 2 and 2, wrap it around twice, next one, pull through 2 and 2, and wrap it again twice, pull through 2 and 2. So because it's the middle of a row or a round, there will always be 5 loops on the hook. So it's only in the beginning that there's 4. So once you have the 5, just yarn over, pull through all of them, and those 4 just became 1. This is treble 4 together.